Hi all. In the previous class, we learned about sentences and its type. So here today we are going to learn the parts of sentences, subject and a predicate. So a complete sentence has two parts. First part is subject and the second part is predicate. What is a subject? The doer of the action is called as the subject. Who has done the action or what has done the action? Who performs the action or what performs the action? So, the subject always answers the question who and what. If we are getting an answer for the two questions who and what, then it becomes a subject. Subject usually comes before the verb. For example, my brother Anuj says a short prayer. So here, who says a short prayer? You are just getting the answer. My brother Anuj. So my brother Anuj becomes the subject. So what is a predicate? The action done by the subject is called as a predicate. Predicate always tells something about the subject. Predicate contains a verb. Always a predicate contains a verb, and the words which comes after the verb together becomes a predicate. The same example, we can see the same example. My brother Anuj says a short prayer. So already we learned who says a short prayer. So here my brother Anuj becomes the subject. So actually what is the action done by the subject here? Saying a short prayer. So here says a short prayer becomes a predicate. So says a short prayer is something that says about the subject my brother Anuj. Let us see another example. Papa and Mama reached home at 8 o'clock. Who reached home at 8 o'clock? Papa and Mama. So we're just getting the answer for the question who. So Papa and Mama becomes the subject. Reached at 8 o'clock becomes the predicate because reached at 8 o'clock says something about the subject. So next example. The dog is barking loudly. What is barking loudly? The dog. What is barking loudly? The dog. So here the dog, answers the question what. So already we learned it answers the question who and what. A subject could be a noun, a proper noun or a pronoun. Predicate always starts with a verb. The word verb as well as the words coming along with that verb becomes a predicate. The subject can be a single word or a group of words. Let us discuss a few more examples. The baby played with a toy. So see, the baby is the subject, doer of the action, played with the toy as a predicate, action done by the subject or it says something about the subject. The next example, he writes his homework daily. So he becomes the subject which is a pronoun and writes his homework daily becomes a predicate. Next, Taj Mahal looks so beautiful. Taj Mahal becomes a subject here, looks so beautiful becomes a predicate. Hence, a complete sentence should always contain a subject and a predicate. I hope you all understood. Thank you.